Hello and welcome to this video of nested functions and closures. So just to rewind, because I have already discussed nested function in my previous video, this is the form of nested functions. You have function f, inside that you have g, and you call g from f because g cannot be accessed from outside f. Here g does one thing, it prints the variable x which is in the enclosing scope. Here I am passing value 5. So let's see this in action. Oops, wrong file. Sorry. So it prints 5. But as we know, functions in Python are first class objects. That is, you can return them also. Let's see what happens if we return them. Since we are returning the function g, we should also assign it to something. Otherwise, the returned value will be lost. So I have assigned it to x. Now let's see what x is actually. So here I am importing closures, my module, and I invoke help on x, closures.x. Strangely, it shows us g, which is not really strange because you have returned g, but specifically it g has captured a value x. So since x is g, that is a function, we can invoke it like that, and it should print 5 because g has captured value 5. When you pass 5 to f, it goes and function g has captured that 5. So it will print 5. There you go. Now, so there are criterias of function closures that you should have a nested function, and it must refer to a value defined in enclosing function. Although you can remove this and it will still work, but let's print something here. So it's not really must, it is more like should. And the enclosing function must return the nested function. This is a real must. Unless you return the function object, closures make no sense. Now it should print in G. So why do we have closures here? Or what are the uses of closures? So suppose you are implementing a class which has only one method. In that case, you can implement this closure which will capture the value and give you the functionality of that one method of a class. So closures can replace classes which have one method only. Also, closures are used with the decorators heavily. When we will implement decorators, then we will see this functionality of closures in more detail. So that's it for this. It was no big deal. It's very simple. So I hope you have found this video informative, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I will show you two things. One is list comprehensions, and second is lambda function of Python, how lambdas work. And possibly I may show map, filter, and reduce also in the same video. Let's see what length it stretches to. So if you want videos on any particular topic, let me know in comments. And if you have questions, you can also ask in comments and I'll try to answer those. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Happy programming.